How to sell your digital products online for free. Hi, I'm Cecilia Elise Wallin from Inventicity. In this video, I will show you how I am selling my digital products on my site inventicity.com. So on this site, I have a store where I'm selling digital products, and I also have a membership. And I have to pay for hosting for this website, but that is the only thing I am paying for. The membership plugin is free, and WooCommerce, which I use for my checkout, is also free. But I will also, in this video, show you how you can sell your digital products online without even paying for a website. Let's do that first. So here we have my store. Let's scroll down. Here I have some reviews, and here I have a link to my membership. If we click on the link to my membership here, I will show you how you can sell digital products without even paying for a website. So let's click here, and we will be sent to ConvertKit. So here I am now hosting my memberships, and it's because WooCommerce is free when people are buying individual products. But if I would like to sell my memberships on my website, then I would have to pay for a quite expensive plugin. I think it's about $200 a year. So I'm using ConvertKit, and ConvertKit is free to use as a checkout. Let's go back to my site here. So now I will show you the store. This is what the store looks like, and it is built on WooCommerce, which is a free plugin. And for the membership, I am using a free plugin called Ultimate Member. And I will show you what it looks like for the members. So let's go to product here. These are photos I have taken myself, so I'm a photographer as well. And now you can see that if someone wants to, they can buy the product here, or they can become members and get everything in the store. So let's click here on Become a Member. So here the members can log in, and let's go back. So now I'll show you what it looks like for the members. So if you are a member, you can click here to download the product. So that's how easy it is to create a store and a membership for your products. And I'll post links below so that you can get the plugins I am using if you want them. And if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write a comment below.